Each issue will have a very different approach to each one of these worksheets. This Worldview Worksheet is one in which I have listed some questions, and underneath each question, you need to write a short paragraph or a list addressing the question. In a list, give enough information that the answer is easily understood, usually a full sentence for each point. Questions: what beliefs lead to the issue becoming important? For example, if you are approaching human trafficking, a belief in the freedom of humans and human rights would lead you to be very strongly considering the victims of it. What beliefs are the best of the opposition? Now, the opposition to your approach to human trafficking is not, let's make slaves of people. Let's promote sex slavery or work slavery. That's not the opposition. If you're approaching human trafficking from the local church in Oregon or California or Zimbabwe or wherever needs to become involved, the opposition would be, no, the government is responsible, not the church. What beliefs lead you to believe that the church should have part of the answer? Maybe Jesus's view of justice. That could be very important. So the beliefs of your position on the issue becoming important, but what about the opposition? What are the likely beliefs of the audience about the issue? And how will you then create a point of decision for them to moving is part of the stasis. But here you consider the likely beliefs. What values and virtues are foundational to your position in the issue? What is actually important here? Value. And the enduring characteristic qualities, virtues. What are those values and virtues that call your position into question? The best of the opposition. What are the likely values and virtues of the audience that address the issue? So considering value and virtue from all three, my position, the best of the opposition, and the audience. What lifestyle is this issue calling out? Most of the time, something has to be sacrificed. Time, money, energy, relationship. What has to be sacrificed and what has to be added? What has to be developed? What is a counter lifestyle? The best of the opposition. What are appropriate and inappropriate actions that you are looking at? What are the consequences of not changing in the direction that you are developing? What are the impacts of this? And what changes are most important to make? So this worldview, big picture, consider each of these and write a short paragraph about them as you contemplate your issue and your perspective.